Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer money from one PayPal account to another in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending cash to family, or just managing your finances, PayPal makes it quick and secure. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First things first, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your phone or access it via a web browser. It's available on both iOS and Android, and the process is pretty much the same. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll get a code to verify. It's all about keeping your money safe. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request tab, which is usually front and center on the home screen. Here, you'll see an option to send money. Tap on that, and then enter the email address or phone number of the person you're sending money to. Double-check this info because PayPal will send the funds directly to their linked account. Next, input the amount you want to transfer. PayPal might show you the fees involved, especially for international transfers, so keep an eye on that. Add a personal note if you like, something like, "for dinner last night," to make it clear. Then, hit Continue and review the details. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer with your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. And just like that, you're done. The money should arrive in the recipient's account almost instantly, depending on their location and any holds PayPal might have. Remember, in 2025, PayPal has enhanced security features, so if anything seems off, contact their support right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to check out our other videos on digital finance. Stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.